Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Vrjam token. Now the Vrjam token, it was just announced yesterday that this token is going to be getting a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Vrjam token. So ticker symbol is Vrjam. This token is going to be listed shortly on Mexc Global. Now, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, if you wanted to get this token, it's not out yet. It'll be announced soon exactly when the listing date is. They just announced this on their Twitter here. But basically, when this token comes out, you'll be able to get it on Mexc Global by going right through that Mexc Global referral code in the description box down there. You can open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Vrjam, and then you'd simply just buy the token. Now, it was just announced yesterday. It says, heads up, Vrjam is coming to Mexc Global. They don't have a listing date yet, but they will announce it on Mexc Global's Twitter shortly, which is at Mexc_global on Twitter. It says, Vrjam is an award-winning live entertainment platform built to redefine the way we use and monetize the metaverse, empowering brands and creators to create immersive experiences inside virtual worlds. Stay tuned for more details. So yes, it doesn't say the exact date yet, but if you open an Mexc Global account and follow Mexc Global's Twitter, as soon as it gets listed, you'll be all set, ready to get it as soon as it comes out. So if you want to find more information, you would go over to their Twitter, which is at Vrjam_. So that's how you'd find their Twitter. They have 33,200 Twitter followers. It says, welcome to Vrjam, the world's leading platform for Web3 live events. And this is an entertainment and recreation project here. It says, some big news to share with all of you. Earlier today, we revealed our collaboration with the biggest game publisher in the world, Epic Games. And so they have a huge announcement about how they're partners now with Epic Games, and there's a cryptonews.com article about that, on which is their latest tweet from 22 hours ago. So this project is basically doing big things here. On their Twitter, at Vrjam_, you could find a full link tree, which has their website, Twitch, Telegram, Discord, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, SoundCloud, Fifth Dimension link, VentureBeat link, Makers of the Metaverse link, all sorts of stuff on here. They have interviews on here. So if you head to their webpage, which is just vrjam.com, pretty easy to find, they have a full white paper over there, roadmap, public realm, press releases, marketplace, dashboard, download links, sign up to the page links, all sorts of stuff on here. Vrjam coin. Initial exchange offering November 30th, it says. So that is in 4 days. So you can check that out on vrjam.com. It says, join our open beta program. Come and be a part of the makings of our tech as we test and shine a light on the features of the inner workings of the Vrjam platform. And you can click on Join Our Beta. It says, we have launched, and you can check out their roadmap on here. Let's click on the roadmap and see if it's working. Okay, it is working. All right, so their roadmap starts in March 2022 with the launch of the Vrjam Creator Guild, a premium content creator community. Then in May 2022, Vrjam Multiverse platform preview event featuring DJ Junior Sanchez. And then in October this year, launch of the NFT marketplace and commence volume NFT sales. Then in November this year, we got VR Jam coin public token via Mexc Global. And then VR Jam Multiverse platform goes live, commence regular live events featuring high-profile creators and artists. Then public realm development applications, open staking pools go live in December. Then March 2023, we're going to have Avalanche integration goes live. So they're going to be cross-chain basically with AVAX. And then July 2023, blockchain event ticketing solution and event monetization tools go live. Then in 2024, they're going to have their own blockchain. So it says native blockchain developer API and ad content monetization goes live. If you want to get in touch with them, they actually have a message box at the bottom of the page where you can reach out to them if you like. They have all sorts of frequently asked questions like, what is VR Jam? In a nutshell, VR Jam is a live experience platform built on the blockchain, designed with entirely new ways to value the human experience and magnify social connectedness. So I mentioned the fifth dimension earlier. There's a link to that on their link tree. It says the fifth dimension is a virtual live music destination space full of fantastical content, people, and places. This layer will extend into the core platform to bridge access between the breathtakingly lifelike digital twin ventures based on real-world locations and our whimsical fifth dimension spaces. So how can you contact VR Jam members? I mean, we already went over that. So the native currency is the VR Jam coin. That is the full name of it. Ticker symbol is VR Jam. It says the VR Jam coin is the name of our native token and is going to rewrite the rules of how artists make money with music. What are the incentives to join the platform? Well, it says, as an approved member of the Creator Guild, you can enjoy access to the VR Jam Virtual Live Events Toolkit, which allows you to schedule and host your own sets. Creators will be able to be granted capacity to customize their live event space and will also receive access to the control panel, which will operate the visual effects during an event. During an open beta release, platform access will be available to all registered spectators and anybody who will be able to explore the virtual environments with friends, attend virtual live events, receive promotional benefits, and participate in our gameplay play-to-earn token model. So yeah, all sorts of different stuff on here. What sorts of things will you be able to do with the coin? All these things are in the in their frequently asked questions. What sorts of NFTs will they have? Check it all out, vrjam.net. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one, where this token is about to be listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.